Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you to my training. If you're watching this video right now, I want to say a big congratulations to you because you finally found my YouTube Faceless Automation Masterclass. This particular video is just an introduction video where I'm going to be walking you through one by one on the things that you're going to be learning during the course of this training. So here are the things you're going to be expecting in this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to be teaching you is niche research. So the first thing obviously you have to do is pick a niche, a profitable niche at that. So I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to pick a niche for yourself. I'm also going to be sharing some hand-picked niche that have been proven to work for me and other of my students. After picking a niche, the next thing I'm going to do is to help you set up your channel from scratch. I'm going to show you how to set up your channel professionally, the thumbnail, the logo, the banner, optimizing your channel to make sure that it gets to your target audience. After setting up your channel, the next thing I'm going to help you to do is to help you understand how the YouTube algorithm works. If you can understand how the YouTube algorithm works, you can do this on your own any day, anytime. You can set up any video and you'll be 100% confident that your video is going to get the most views possible, right? So that's basically understanding the algorithm. The next thing I'm going to be showing you also is search analysis. So search analysis is you understanding the search terms, what people are currently searching for on YouTube and on Google, and taking advantage of that insight to setting up your content. So basically it's going to be giving you an idea of the type of topics that have high demands. So I'm going to be showing you how to pick high demand videos with low competition, with the least competition. That way you're not competing with anybody for those views. You're going to be getting all the views, right? The next thing I'm going to be also teaching you is how to create a hit list generation. So the reason why I teach my students how to create hit lists is because I want you to get your first 100, first 50, first 20, as the case may be, your first content ideas, so that you don't depend on motivation to push out content. Because in this YouTube game, consistency is key. So I'm going to set aside a day where I'm going to help you get your first 100 topic ideas, the title, the tags, the description, etc. for your first 100 content. That way every day you're goal oriented and you know what you ought to be doing at every point in time. So that's for the hit list generation. So by the time you set up your hit list, the next thing I'm going to teach you is how to use prompt engineering to prompt ChatGPT to generate video scripts, thumbnails and images for your faceless YouTube channel, right? Once you're able to do that, I'm going to teach you also how to edit videos using CapCut, Camtasia and Filmora. So you're going to be stitching together the video script, the voiceovers, the images, everything that you've been able to generate using AI. You're going to stitch it together in such a way that it's going to capture your audience. After you must have done that, the next thing is audio processing. Now your audio quality is also very important. I'm also going to teach you how to get the best quality audio for all your videos. After that, I'm going to teach you how to optimize every video before publishing it to YouTube, so that video, the algorithm understands what the video is all about and pushes it to people that will most likely appreciate your content, like your content, share your content, etc. Once you've done that, the next thing I'm going to be teaching you is batch production. What is batch production? It's simply creating multiple videos at once. I'm going to be teaching you how to batch produce. You know, batch production gives that illusion of consistency to your target audience because they're going to be seeing you back to back on their timeline, right? So you want to take a while to batch produce your content so that you can schedule them, which takes us to the next step, video scheduling. So after batch producing your first 50 videos, your first 60 videos, you can schedule them across the month, across the year. Just schedule them so they are auto posting to your YouTube channel. That way you can go on vacation and know that your videos are posting by themselves, right? So that's video scheduling. The next thing I'm going to be teaching you is how to increase retention. Okay, video linking. This is something I'm going to teach you. I can't really explain it here because I don't want this video to be too long. This is just an introduction video, but this is a very important aspect that a lot of people use to get ahead of their competition. So the next thing I'm going to be teaching is content hyping. This is a big secret, and this is my big secret, so I'm not going to be explaining this in this video because I don't want to let the cat out of the bag. But this is what the most big YouTubers do to boost their channel, and it's completely free for anybody that is going to pay for my course. For outsiders it's not free, but for you guys I'm going to be giving you this secret completely for free, and you are going to be making sure that even your worst videos ever will be getting views like crazy, right? So after you must have learned content hyping, I'm going to show you how to scale up your YouTube automation. So by the time your channel has started generating substantial amount of money for you, it's time to remove yourself from the equation. You don't want to always be working yourself, wearing yourself out, except you just enjoy the process. But it gets to a point when you get big to a point that you want to go on vacations, you want to have time for your family and stuff like that. So I'm going to teach you how to scale up, how to assign tasks to different people via freelancing and all, because right now you're not spending the money from your own pocket. The channel is now self-sustaining, so whatever your money you're going to be spending for outsourcing content, outsourcing thumbnail design and stuff like that will be coming completely from the YouTube itself, from your channel itself. I'm also going to show you how to create multiple channels. You can even manage up to 10 channels and be making 6 figures in dollars. So this is a limited offer, so don't go and start thinking too much, because the more you think, the more the opportunity narrows down. Because by the time I get 100 students, I'm going to close the doors till the first batch finishes, and then I'm going to raise the price of this tutorial to $100. So if you're watching this video, this is a sign for you. Like I said, I've eliminated every excuse for you not to pay for this course. It is completely fail proof. So see you on the other side, guys. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye.